way to Kolva now or Benolim, either or. Let's see. Let's go! Goes in the water. Should I? Should I not? Of course I will. And these dogs, man, they are having a blast at the beach. You have to see. They're just playing. They're just playing at the beach, getting wet. Hello. So both are buddies. I think they're water babies who are playing in the water. A lot of fun. Hello, I'm back. We are in Utorda beach now. हम आगे थे Benolim से. We went to Beno then, but we didn't get what we went there for. Basically, he wanted to have a curry to available नहीं थी. So we thought we'll go to Utorda to go to this fast food truck that we came across in the morning. जो एक gyro serve करते हैं. Sorry. लाइटिंग इज़ प्रीटी बैड. एनीवे सर्व करते हैं विच इज़ वेरी गुड. तो अभी मैं दूसरा वाला खाई हूँ विच इज़ द सॉसेज गायरो. सुबह मैंने चिकन वाला खाया था. आई विल ट्राई दिस एंड आई लेट यू नो. Wait, I'm recording. Hello. Okay, so we are finally moving from Goa to Karwar. It's been 2 hours. I forgot to vlog. Basically, we're driving down to Karwar today. Finally, it's the 25th of December. It's the day of Christmas. Merry Christmas, you guys. So we thought like going directly to Karwar. We'll stop by beach mein. We'll have like a ruk ke jaane wala road trip. So we started off on the highway. So instead of going through like Benolim and all, we did actually go to Benolim. We took the highway to Margaon this time. So there was this place called Abraka where we had like brunch sort of, because we didn't have anything for breakfast.
And then we started on, the road that runs parallel to the coast. We were not on the highway, which was amazing. We went through village roads, beautiful. बहुत अच्छे roads थे, मजा आ गया. And then we stopped at Fitorde Beach. I don't know, I'm forgetting the name. I think it was Fitorde Beach. Good beach. There were like 2-3 shacks there. A lot of people. Not a lot, like commercialized नहीं था. Like good, I would say 40-50 people max dispersed, playing in the sea. We did not go inside the sea because we have to travel. And I'm wearing a kurta, not dressed appropriately for the beach, but we did spend some time there, 15-20 minutes. Then we've been driving down the coastline and now we are at Cabo de Rama Fort viewpoint. Apparently it's very famous. I see a lot of cars in the parking. So I think I've rambled a lot. Let's go and check out the viewpoint.
So we went to that place. It's called the Cape Goa. We went there to have drinks, but waiting बहुत थी. Though मैं अपना नाम तो लिखवा के आई हूँ, but then we thought we can come here anytime. It's just like 1 hour away from Karwar, so we can do that anytime. तो ऊपर there's like a small stall sort of a place जहाँ पे this lady makes chai and Maggie and all. So we're having our Maggie with this view. It's like so beautiful, man. I never thought गोवा में ऐसा देखने को मिलेगा. हाँ, बीचेस. एक्चुअली मैंने बीचेस का भी नहीं सोचा था इतने अच्छे बीचेस होंगे, क्योंकि वो कमर्शलाइज बीचेस देखे होते हैं. आई वॉज नॉट एट ऑल इंटरेस्टेड इन गोवा, बट देन आई सॉ सो मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ बीचेस जहाँ पे ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं थी. सो दैट वाज ग्रेट एंड दिस व्यू पॉइंट हैज़ माई हार्ट. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. वाओ. that's the sea. They have some places to sit around here. But yeah, I'm so tired now. हम काफी रुक के आए हैं. We took a long time. It's almost 5:20. We started at 11:45. I wanna say 10:30, 11:45. We've almost taken 3.5 hours. And we were home like 6.5, 7 hours. So हम काफी रुके हैं. We stopped for breakfast, जो मैंने आपको बताया था. Then we stopped at that viewpoint, the Cape de Rama, Capo de Rama, something viewpoint. वहाँ रुके हम. Then we went to Agonda. काफ़ी घूमे हम. We didn't get down, but हम 2-3 बार उस एरिया का चक्कर लगाया. We got on the wrong way, all of that, है ना. मैगी भी खाई, कितना कुछ किया. Anyway, we're finally here. Now we're just finding out हमें कहाँ रहना है. And then this road trip is finally over. But it was fun. I had a lot of fun in Goa for sure. Karwar is much quieter. जो मेरे को आते हुए दिखा. It's not like as big a city as, of course, cities in Goa. But yeah, it's a pretty nice, serene, calm sort of a place, which I like. I think for living it's great. I think I'm going to end my vlog here. We're just gonna take out our stuff from the car and then go to the room and freshen up and rest. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.